Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting English lesson. I'm so happy you're here today, David.
Me too. Welcome, Emma. Welcome, amazing English learners. Are you ready to train your brain and become a more confident English speaker?
I am so excited. Today's lesson is going to be fun, practical, and super helpful.
That's right. And here's the best part. You don't need perfect English to join us.
Exactly. You just need a big smile, a positive attitude, and the courage to speak.
Yeah. And don't worry if you make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are welcome here.
Mistakes are actually our best teachers here.
That's true. Every mistake brings us one step closer to speaking English confidently. So wherever you're watching from, whether you're at home, on the bus, during your break, or relaxing with a cup of coffee.
We truly appreciate every one of you. Your decision to practice English today is something to be proud of.
Are you ready? Then let's begin our brain training.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Whenever I want to speak English, I first think in my native language, then I translate it into English. It takes so much time.
That's a very common problem. Millions of English learners do exactly the same thing.
Really? So I'm not the only one.
Not at all. But today, we're going to start building a new habit thinking directly in English.
That sounds amazing. How do we do it?
It's actually very simple. Just look around you and describe what you see.
Okay, I can see a chair.
Great. Now make a complete sentence.
I'm sitting on a chair.
Excellent. What else can you see?
There's a window next to me.
Perfect. Can you describe it?
Sure. The window is big, and the sunlight is coming in.
Fantastic. See? You're already thinking in English.
Wow, that was easier than I expected.
Exactly. Don't look for perfect words. Use the words you already know.
So, instead of translating, I should simply describe my world in English?
That's the secret.
Let me try again. I have a phone in my hand. I'm watching this lesson. I'm excited because I'm improving my English.
Bravo. That's wonderful.
I'm actually having fun.
Learning English should be fun.
All right, everyone. It's your turn. Look around you right now and describe everything you see using simple English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep remembering. Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger. Let's continue to the next challenge.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
You look a little nervous. Is everything okay?
Yes, a little. This is my first English lesson, and I'm worried I'll make a lot of mistakes.
No worries. Everyone feels that way at first.
Really?
Of course, nobody speaks perfect English on the first day. The important thing is to keep practicing.
That makes me feel better.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
By the way, I'm Alex. What's your name?
I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia. How about you?
I'm from Canada. Is English your first language?
No, it isn't. I'm still learning, but I really want to become a confident English speaker.
That's a wonderful goal. Why do you want to learn English?
There are many reasons. I want to travel, make friends from different countries, watch English movies without subtitles, and get a better job in the future.
Those are excellent reasons. You're in the right place.
I hope so. Sometimes I understand English, but when it's my turn to speak, I forget everything.
That's completely normal. Many English learners have the same problem.
So what should I do?
First, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Second, listen to English every day. Third, speak English whenever you have the chance.
Even if my English isn't perfect.
Especially if it isn't perfect, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
I like that advice.
Great.
Let's practice right now.
Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, my name is Emma. I'm a student. I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and learning English. In my free time, I like walking in the park and spending time with my family.
Excellent. That was very clear.
Really? I thought I made several mistakes.
Maybe a few, but that's okay. Remember, progress is more important than perfection.
I love that expression.
Then here's another one. Practice makes progress. I thought people said, practice makes perfect. Many people do, but I prefer, practice makes progress, because learning is a journey. Every small step counts.
I like that. I'll remember it.
Wonderful. Are you ready for the next conversation?
Absolutely. I'm much more confident now.
That's what I wanted to hear. Let's continue our English journey together.
Next part.
That is so amazing. We're back. And guess what? I think my brain is starting to enjoy English.
That's exactly what we want. The more fun you have, the more your brain wants to learn.
I like that. Learning English doesn't have to be stressful.
Absolutely. It can be exciting, enjoyable, and even a little funny.
Speaking of funny, I tried thinking in English this morning.
Really? How did it go?
Well, I looked at my coffee and said, "Hello, coffee, please help my English today."
That's one way to practice.
And do you know what?
What?
The coffee didn't answer.
I'm shocked.
Me too.
All right, learners. Now that we've practiced thinking in English, let's start talking about our day.
Ooh, this sounds useful because everyone has a day to talk about.
Exactly. You don't need special vocabulary.
You already know your own life.
That's true. Let's begin with yesterday.
Okay. David, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I woke up early, I had breakfast, answered some emails, and practiced English for 30 minutes.
Excellent. That's a great answer.
Thank you.
But let's make it even longer.
Longer?
Yes, fluency grows when you add details.
Let me try again. Okay, yesterday, I woke up early and made a healthy breakfast. After that, I answered some emails and spent 30 minutes practicing English. In the evening, I watched an interesting documentary and relaxed before going to bed.
Fantastic.
That felt much better.
Exactly. The more details you give, the more your brain practices English.
I think I understand.
Great. Now let's talk about today. What are you doing today?
Today, I am learning English with everyone watching this lesson.
Wonderful.
I am also trying to become a more confident speaker.
Excellent answer.
And I'm having fun too.
That's important. What about tomorrow?
Great question. Let's talk about the future.
David, what will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will continue practicing English. I will read a few pages from a book and learn some new vocabulary.
That's a fantastic plan.
Thank you. What about our learners?
Great question.
Everyone watching, pause the video and answer these questions. And remember, don't give one-word answers. What did you do yesterday? What are you doing today? What will you do tomorrow?
Exactly. Give details, add information, tell a story, keep talking, even if you make mistakes, because mistakes help us learn.
And every sentence makes us stronger English speakers.
Wonderful job, everyone. You're doing better than you think. Keep smiling. Keep practicing.
And let's move on to our next challenge.
What?
My brain hasn't run away yet.